In this video, I want to show you how you can replace your taillight bulb socket. Sometimes over time they can get damaged, corroded, melted, sometimes even, and you need to replace it. So here's how you do it. With the tailgate open, you have two access holes right here. Through this you can slide an 8mm socket in with an extension and remove the two screws that hold on your taillight. Try not to drop them in there. There's one. There should be a second one right here. Mine's missing, but just take that one out as well. Now you can remove your taillight, flip it over, whichever way you need to not tug on the harness. Now with it flipped over, spin the socket counterclockwise until it pops free. There's your taillight bulb. I have an LED here, but if you have a halogen or an LED, whatever you have, go ahead and remove it. Pull it out of the socket, and then let's disconnect the socket from the wiring harness. This clip should be on both sides. This one's broken, so I have nothing to unclip on that side, but typically you'd want to pry both out and then remove the socket from the electrical connector. Sometimes these are stuck in here with sand and other debris, but this one's kind of clean, not the best. Either way, here's your socket. Set that aside. Take your new one. This replacement socket is a very slight different design, but still works. Slide in your bulb, just like this. Plug in the electrical connector, just like that. Now put the socket with the bulb back into the taillight assembly. Match up the little tabs. If they don't line up, this won't slide in. There we go. Turn it clockwise till it locks in. Now let's reinstall the taillight. On this part right here, you'll have two tabs that need to line up with two holes in the body here. Slide those in, press it up against this part, and let's put the screws in. Again, I only have one, but if you have both, you'd put back both. Nice and snug. Put in your second one if you have two, and there you have it.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.